How to fix Verizon router blue light blinking. Here are a few steps to troubleshoot a blinking blue light on your Verizon router. First of all, check connections. Verify that the power cord is securely plugged into the router and the wall outlet. Then check all Ethernet cables connecting devices to the router, ensuring they are firmly plugged in. Make sure the coaxial cable from the wall is properly connected to the router if applicable. Then power cycle the router. Unplug the router from the power source for 30 seconds, plug it back in, and wait for the lights to stabilize. Then check for device connection attempts. Verify that your devices are attempting to connect to the Wi-Fi network. If you are trying to connect a new device, ensure it is following the correct pairing instructions. Then reset the router if necessary. Locate the reset button on the router and press it with a pin or paper clip for about 10 seconds. This will restore the router to its factory settings, so you will need to re-enter your network password. Then check for firmware updates. Access your router's settings page and check for any available firmware updates. Update the firmware if necessary. And finally, contact Verizon support. If the blue light continues to blink after trying the above steps, contact Verizon customer service to further troubleshoot the issue.